Imagine this. It's 2025. You're hustling hard, posting content, running ads, grinding in the DMs, and still nothing's working. Why? Because the game changed and nobody told you. Here's the truth. What got you clicks in 2020 will bury you in 2025. If you're 18 to 30 living in the US and dreaming of that digital freedom, the kind where your phone pings with Stripe notifications while you're out living life, you need to hear this. Because these aren't just trends. These are career-defining shifts. Ignore them and you'll be invisible. Master them and you'll be unshakable. This is your wake-up call. Let's dive into the top 5 digital marketing trends you can't ignore in 2025. Trend number 1 will change how you talk to your audience forever. But trend number 5? It's the future of wealth. Stay with me. 1. Predictive personalization with AI. Welcome to the era where AI doesn't just help you create content. It predicts what your audience wants before they know it. Think about it. Spotify knows what you'll vibe with. Netflix predicts your next binge. Why shouldn't your brand know exactly what your customers need next? Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and custom AI models are now powering hyper-personalized campaigns at scale. From landing pages to ad copy, the one-size-fits-all model is officially dead. If your content still speaks to everyone, then it speaks to no one. And in 2025, silence is bankruptcy. AI can't save your marketing if your strategy still thinks it's 2018. Coming up, trend number 2 isn't about tech. It's about people, and it's making influencers irrelevant. 2. Community. Clout, the micro-influencer revolution. Big followers? In 2025, trust greater than reach. The new goldmine? Micro-influencers and niche communities. Whether it's skincare, side hustles, or sushi, audiences are rallying around real people with authentic vibes, not polished perfection. Influencers with 3,000 followers are making 6 figures because their community trusts them. And trust converts. Let's be honest. When was the last time you saw a celebrity pushing a product and thought, wow, I need that? Probably never. Now, what's the best way to connect with these communities? That brings us to trend number 3, and let's just say, if you're not doing this, you're invisible. 3. Vertical Video 2.0. Value is the new vibe. Yes, Reels, Shorts, and TikToks are still hot, but the rules have changed. Flashy edits, cool aesthetic lighting, great. But in 2025, if you're not delivering value in under 60 seconds, you're just noise. That means educational storytelling, hard-hitting hooks, emotional narratives, and clear calls to action. People don't just want to be entertained, they want to learn fast and act faster. Every second someone scrolls past your content, someone else just made a sale. And that should scare you. Would you watch your own content for more than 5 seconds? Be honest. But what if I told you the next trend might replace Google itself? Yep, it's already happening. 4. The rise of AI and social search. Google isn't dead, but it's no longer your audience's first stop. Gen Z is searching for answers on TikTok, Instagram, and ChatGPT. They want real talk, real time, no fluff. This means your brand must show up where people are asking questions, and that's on social platforms and AI interfaces. Think content that answers, not just ranks. Think voice search, visual search, conversational search. If your marketing isn't searchable by voice, by bots, or by Gen Z's thumbs, you might as well not exist. And the people who are winning this new search game, they're not marketers, they're something more. Let me show you. 5. The creator-marketer hybrid. In 2025, the line between creator and marketer is gone. If you're only doing paid ads, you're falling behind. If you're only making content, you're leaving money on the table. The creator-marketer does both. They entertain, educate, and convert all in one swipe. They know how to write a killer hook, shoot a compelling story, launch a funnel, and close a sale. From a laptop in their bedroom. You don't need a team. You don't need a fancy studio. You need a phone, Wi-Fi, and the courage to hit publish. And right now, someone your age is doing just that, and building a 6-figure brand with nothing but free tools and one smart offer. Want to know how? These aren't just digital marketing trends, they are survival codes. You're not just building a brand, you're building a life of freedom. A career where you don't just follow trends, yet you predict them. A future where your skills write your paycheck, not your degree. So ask yourself, are you adapting or fading. The algorithm doesn't care how hard you work. It cares how smart you play. Hit subscribe if you're serious about mastering the new rules of digital marketing. Your time is now. Your tools are here. The future? It's yours if you build it.